जडेजा ब्रो 1 ओवर में 37 रन मारा, समझ रहा है तू?
क्या
37 रन इन वन
मस्ती
ओवर।
मजाक चल रहा है भाई।
हाँ, एक ड्यूड,
भाई
लाइक दैट इज लाइक अ
भाई
रिकॉर्ड आई थिंक।
नहीं नहीं वापस बंद कर रिकॉर्डिंग चालू आपसे थोड़ा सा रिकॉर्डिंग भाई
रिकॉर्डिंग
तू भाई
ब्रो।
हमारे इन हाउस मीटिंग्स के प्रोटोकॉल्स ब्रेक कर रहा है भाई तू भाई
ब्रो
भाई ये
तू
सब गलत
प्रोटोकॉल
बात
ब्रेक
नहीं
किया,
तू
तू ये रिकॉर्ड
रिकॉर्डिंग
कर रहा है, तू क्यों रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है
भाई
अभी?
भाई
तू रिकॉर्ड
भाई
ब्रो यार ब्रो। एक
अच्छा
साल था आज का
शिट
अबाउट, ओके यू
मैंने
ब्रोक द
किया अरे भाई
प्रोटोकॉल ब्रो।
भाई लाइफ में गलतियां इंसानों से होती है ना भाई
स्टार्ट द
भाई
शो
और कौन
मैन,
गलती
स्टार्ट
करेगा
द
भाई
शो, स्टार्ट द शो, डैम इट। Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of The Talk. I'm your host, Pranjay Reddy, as usual, and my man, Srijit, your co host. What's up, my brother?
what's up
I mean, we do look in a very joyful mood, but I don't want it to take away from the very serious topic we're going to talk about, or the moment our country is in right now. And for all the people who watched our cold open, well, that's a little reference to what has happened in the past week between the Prime Minister and all these state CMs meeting. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just search Arvind Kejriwal recording PM.
अरविंद
Yes,
केजरीवाल पीएम वर्सेस ऐसा कुछ भी लिख दो मिल जाएगा ये वीडियो तो
and
एंटरटेनमेंट तो था भाई
you make your own opinion. That's what I'll say. And but it the reason this came about is a far more serious topic, and it's a topic which we're going to dive in deeper today. And it's the topic which is our heading: oxygen crisis in India. It seriously is a very dangerous crisis, and it's come about because of the coronavirus. No secrets there. But before we go into the whys and hows of what has happened and what are the possible solutions we think of it or what the government is doing about it, I just want to once again reiterate this point like I did last week. All of us from our side, please, guys, everyone watching this, please be safe. Please make sure your families are safe, your neighbors are safe. Please don't roam around without any want. Uh, and please do wear a mask or blouse or sanitizers whenever you, or not wear a sanitizer, rather apply sanitizers when you go out.
देख खुद को सबको चॉइस मिलना चाहिए अभी जो नहीं पहनना चाहते वो मरना चाहते वो उनका चॉइस है वो मना नहीं कर कोई रोकने भी नहीं वाला
Free
पर तू
country.
वापिस घर जा रहा है भाई तू वापिस घर जाएगा तेरे को और लोग मिलेंगे वो जो कर रहे हैं ना वो अभी क्राइम हो जाना चाहिए
Exactly. And I
समझ रहे
reiterate
कूल
this
वूल
point.
बनने की बात ही नहीं
I reiterate this point. I'd rather find I find a person more attractive when they're healthy rather than looking good. Just my personal opinion. I don't know about you guys. Okay. Now let's focus on the topic at hand: the oxygen crisis. Why did it happen? How did it happen? We are here to give you the numbers. You guys can make your opinions. But at the end of the day, I want to reiterate again: it falls on people like all of us. We are the ones who have to change the situation. Now, let's go into the numbers. And Srijit, my man, why do you think this happened, bro? क्या लगता है तेरे को क्या हुआ क्या है the past few weeks?
भाई मेन तो अभी देख प्रोडक्शन कैपेसिटी भी मैं मना नहीं कर रहा कि है वो भी एक प्रॉब्लम ही है बट ट्रांसपोर्टेशन है भाई मेन प्रॉब्लम अभी बहुत सारे थोड़े टाइम पहले अभी दिल्ली का ही देख ले ये जो अरविंद केजरीवाल का जो सीन हुआ इट्स अ नीड ब्रो मतलब सही में वो उसने दूसरा एसओएस इशू किया फॉर ऑल द सीएम्स महिंद्रा टाटास सबको बिरला अंबानी सबको उसने इश्यू किया कि भाई हो जो हेल्प हो सके करो यार मतलब उनको मतलब उतना अभी डायर सिचुएशन है भाई वहां पर डेली नीड 700 मेट्रिक टन दिल्ली का सिर्फ दिल्ली की बात चल रही है डेली नीड 700 है इसके लिए ब्रो वो तो ऑफ कोर्स रोना ही पड़ेगा ना भाई सब कुछ उसके ऊपर ही आ जाएगा कि इतना सीन हो रहा है सही बात है मैं मना नहीं करूंगा मतलब हर एक स्टेट का अलग अलग सीन है भाई दिल्ली हुआ गुजरात हुआ महाराष्ट्र मध्य प्रदेश ये सब बिहार ये सब बहुत बहुत गंदे इसमें है अभी उल्टे साइड पे अभी केरला है वो अभी सप्लाई कर रहा है उल्टा तमिलनाडु कर्नाटका सबको उसका पर डे कैपेसिटी 204 मेट्रिक टन पर डे वो कर रहा है वहां पे कौन से बहुत सारे कंपनीज एक तो अपना प्राइवेट एयर
Most of them are private.
इसका आइनॉक्स एयर
Inox. Yeah, exactly.
हाँ इनॉक्स एयर वहां पे है तो वो वही खुद अकेला 147 टन पर डे निकल प्रोडक्ट्स प्रोड्यूस कर पा रहा है वही एक मेजर पार्ट हो जाता है पर भाई यही बात है भाई मतलब ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ही एक्चुअली बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है क्योंकि तू एक्चुअली तू रीड करेगा तो उसमें है बहुत सारे साइट्स में भी रीड करोगे तो है कि वो ट्रक्स में जो लेके जाते हैं उनको एक परफेक्ट स्पीड मेंटेन करना पड़ता है उससे ज्यादा उन लोग स्पीड में नहीं जा सकते इट्स ट्रू मैन सीरियसली
It's
उनको
dangerous.
रोड पे एक हाँ डेंजरस हो ब्लास्ट होने का सीन लीक होने का सीन फिर उन लोग रात को ट्रांसपोर्टेशन अवॉइड करते ताकि एक्सीडेंट्स ना हो तो उसको संभाल इतना संभाल के लेके जाना पड़ता है कि वही है ना, हर जगह सीन इतना शॉर्टेज इसके लिए पड़ रहा है कि पहुंच नहीं रहा।
There's a stat which says that on average, from the production of oxygen to reaching it to a person's bed, it takes up to 3 to 5 days. But now it's become 6 to 8 days
6 to
because
8
of
days
exactly because of the supply and demand like split ratio it is, and also
हम्म।
because states are also reacting like हमको चाहिए oxygen, let's not you know do that.
हाँ
And
किया है वो, दिल्ली दिल्ली के वो अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने, उनने शायद वीडियो कॉल में भी ऐसा बोला था कि स्टेट के अंदर आने से रोका था।
exactly,
बिहार की वेस्ट बंगाल से कहीं से आ रहा था,
West
वो
Bengal.
ट्रक को रोका गया था, वेस्ट बंगाल से, हाँ वेस्ट बंगाल से वहां से आ रहा था तो रोका गया, वही चीज में उसने बोला गया। और भाई उसका उल्टा तू भी बाकी स्टेट्स में भी देख ले भाई, कंपनीज और ये सब तो छोड़, नॉर्मल कॉमन पब्लिक भी होर्डिंग कर रही है भाई ऑक्सीजन टैंक्स, मतलब लिटरली रेंटल्स और मतलब जगह से खरीद के उन लोग रख रहे हैं, भले उनको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, जो एक्चुअली नीड पे हैं उनकी तो फटी रही है ना भाई। रेंटल्स वाले जो जिनने लिया रेंट पे लिया उनको वापस फोन करके पूछ रहे कि एक्चुअली यहाँ पे सप्लाई की जरूरत है, और उन लोग दे नहीं रहे। और ऑक्सीजन टैंक्स का प्राइस भी सोच, अभी कोई बेसिक प्राइस है ही नहीं इसमें भी, 8,000 9,000 पर टैंक का हो गया है भाई। रिफिलिंग करवाने का भी 150 200 से 400 500 800 900, खतरनाक प्राइस रेंज, ऊपर फुल प्राइसर चला गया। अपने ही ऐसा करने लग जाए तो अपने क्या कंपनी से एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं भाई, कितना करेंगे अपना भी।
There's nothing for me to disagree or agree. It's like what's happening is happening, and people are looting oxygen cylinders from hospitals and from other places. Looting. He's at least talking about renting and not giving back. Either people are literally robbing oxygen cylinders. I never thought I'd live to see a day where oxygen is being robbed. That's
सीरियसली।
understand this. Oxygen is the basic need of any living being, at least for mammals, and we are robbing oxygen from people. Do you like, bro? Like that's how dire the situation is, and like just to give a layout with numbers of what Srijit just said, I just want to reiterate some of the points he said with numbers. So India's daily production capacity of oxygen is 7,000 around 7,100 metric tons per day across all states. But the distribution is not equal among all states. 80% of that number is being produced by some 8 or 9 states like Tamil Nadu, Jharkhand, Gujarat, Kerala, and such bigger
केरला,
states. Yeah, exactly. And states like Delhi don't have an oxygen production plant, so they have to depend on states neighboring to them. And
अदर
like you
स्टेट्स
said,
या
some of the trucks are being stopped by the neighboring states. See, this is a situation which I thought would bring our country, our people together as one. But what it's done is divided us even further, which is honestly a bit cruel and also a bit, I don't know how to put this, man. Seriously, Srijit, like I don't know how to iterate that statement.
वो मतलब ऐसे ग्रेव नीड है, मैं समझ रहा हूँ, मैं मना नहीं कर रहा हूँ, लोग भी अपने सेफ साइड पे खेलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, पर भाई
It's
डर
life,
है
bro.
भाई, अभी लोगों के अंदर डर है भाई, उसके हिसाब से देख नहीं मिल रहा हूँ मैं, ऐसे कंप्लीटली ब्लेम तो नहीं करना चाहता, पर भाई सबका डर है अभी, उन लोग कैसे रिएक्ट कर रहे हैं, अलग अलग तरीके, अब क्या कर सकते।
So I just want to put things in perspective here. Before the coronavirus hit us, the medical usage was only 700 tons. And on April 12th, the medical usage demand was increased up to 3,800 metric tons for medical usage. And what is the difference between industrial oxygen and medical oxygen? Medical oxygen is 99.5% pure. And industrial oxygen has to be purified further 93% to get to that number. And that is that's another logistical problem. That's another what do you call it? Money lost there. Just because we are producing oxygen doesn't mean we get it for free. That's also has a production
Yes,
cost, right?
exactly.
On April 12th, like I said, it was the need was 3,800 metric. By this weekend, which is of April 25th or 24th, the need is shot up to approximately 8,000 metric tons. An estimate says that. Why you ask is because on April 12th, the number of active cases were around 1,200,000 in India. By the end of this week, active cases shot up to 2 million people. Active cases. And the worst has still not come, Shijit. That's what's worrying me. Like already the estimate says we require 8,000 metric tons. We can produce only 7,000 metric tons. That is assuming that all is given to medical usage. And that is not
Yes.
possible because some industries, like the pharmaceutical industry, like the steel industry, and all these, like, these are essentials. They also need oxygen, and there is an
Industrial
allocated amount for them.
oxygen.
And the good thing is now there is this alleged claim. Now I can't cite any source for this, but the claim is that We have 50,000 metric tons of oxygen reserved and stored. But like Srijit reiterated again, how do we distribute that? How do we transport that? That is a
Hmm.
severe problem because transportation so far, in terms of infrastructure we have in this country, can only handle up to 300 to 400 metric tons per day.
Yes,
That
exactly.
is nowhere
Hmm.
close to what we can do. Now, मान के चल
Need
ठीक है,
maximum.
कुछ भी मिरेकल यार, लाइक कुछ मैजिक किया, मंत्र किया, लाइक
उड़ के आए
उड़ के
डोरेमोन।
आ गया ऑक्सीजन उधर,
हम्म।
स्टोर कहाँ करेंगे हॉस्पिटल्स?
नहीं
सिलेंडर्स है नहीं.
है, वो भी सही बात है ना, स्टोरेज है नहीं है।
So currently, there's this report again. For all these links are down below. You can go read them in detail and make your own opinions about them to understand how dire the situation. The manufacturers of cylinders are saying they are not prepared enough to, make them. How do you
हम्म।
justify that?
अलग ही मोनोपोली है वे।
Exactly, and that is the thing which is surprising to me. The virus didn't hit us 2 or 1 month ago. It's been here for a year. Last week we
It's been an
celebrated
year,
1 year
man. That's the
anniversary.
एग्जैक्टली मैन। भाई भाई उस पॉइंट पे भी अपने ऐसे रिलेट कर सकते हैं। भाई प्लानिंग करने का टाइम था ब्रो। ऑक्सीजन का प्रॉब्लम था लोगों को, पिछले बार भी था। ये कोई नया वायरस का नया सिम्टम तो नहीं है कि अचानक से हमारे ऊपर अटैक आया है।
And estimates predict that May 2nd or 3rd week May he will reach the peak. So matlab we haven't reached the peak yet. What do you think? What will happen? I don't know. I don't know
सब
what's going
लोग
to happen.
पेड़ पे से चढ़ के ऐसे स्नॉट करेंगे भाई पत्तों के ऊपर से ऑक्सीजन, समझ रहे हैं? ऐसे ऐसे
You
ही
know,
करना पड़ेगा और कुछ चारा नहीं
I
है।
think Lays can be a big contributor in this. In the sense like, जैसे 30 रुपए के
हाँ सही
पैकेट में
बात है।
आधे तो हवाई तो है,
अच्छा है।
वो फूक लो तुम.
1000 रुपए का टैंक खरीदने से अच्छा है 1000 रुपए
Why
का
Lays?
लेस खरीद ले, बहुत सारा ऑक्सीजन।
Exactly. So
बहुत
because
सारा।
of this, Lays should sponsor us. सही है ना? हम
ऐसा
Lays का
ऐसा प्लीज। हाँ कर सकते हैं हम लोग, पूछ के देखते हैं नहीं।
पूछ के देखते हैं. We saying we are literally promoting Lays for you guys right now. So
हाँ, अगली बार से मैं पैकेट ही लेके आऊंगा बस।
So, the past week, Maharashtra recorded 600,000, around 600,000 active cases. And in that, around 60,000 people needed oxygen at that time during those cases. How much do you think, oxygen they needed to survive? And this number of cases will keep on increasing in all states across India. And Joe Srijit Bola, like Kerala is surplus of, it has a surplus of oxygen. That's something I really do applaud Kerala, man. Like in the sense, like ever since this COVID hit us, they have the one state which has
They are
constantly been
clearly medically prepared, man. Totally medically prepared. Their hospitals are well equipped, man. Seriously,
exactly.
seriously, they are totally prepared for this.
They've always been one step ahead of the curve, and which is something which is truly be appreciated. I know you'll immediately say like उधर से ही पहला केस आया, but that is not.
अरे कुछ भी भाई, अरे मैं कुछ भी नहीं बोल रहा, मैं उनका सिर्फ यही चीज में मैं साथ देना चाहता हूँ। बाकी केरला कैसा हो, एजुकेशन लिटरेचर लेवल कुछ कुछ नहीं बोल रहा मैं भाई, पर ये चीज में हम लोग मतलब लिटरली अप्रिशिएट करना पड़ेगा भाई। लोग ने किया है, लोग पिछले बार से ही सीख चुके हैं, लोग हमेशा प्रिपेयर थे। भले ही केसेस ज्यादा थे पर उनको हैंडल करना आता था, अच्छे से हैंडल करना आता था।
Even
लोगों ने
now,
किया है जितना।
agree. Even in Kerala, cases are rising along with the rest of the country, but they are prepared that they can handle it with their own
Handle it.
resources. Yeah, this can happen. They might not be one of those states which has a surplus of oxygen anymore, but they will be able to take care of their own people. I don't think a lot of other states can say that, considering the fact that every other state is like somehow borrowing oxygen from somewhere, or otherwise they just don't have enough oxygen to support themselves.
कर रहे हैं भाई, गवर्नमेंट भी जितना हो सके कर रही है, कोशिश पूरी तरह से जा रही है। ऑक्सीजन एक्सप्रेस चालू किया अभी रेलवे थ्रू, क्या कहते हैं एयरलिफ्टिंग चालू किया अभी, जहाँ ट्रक्स नहीं पहुंच पा रहे, यहाँ टाइम ज्यादा लग रहा है और बहुत डायर सिचुएशन में नीड है, बहुत इमरजेंसी वाला। कर रहे हैं भाई जितना हो सके कोशिश कर रहे, बट उसमें मतलब कितने भाई प्लांट्स हर एक जगह के जहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन का नीड है वहां पे एग्जैक्टली उसके आजू बाजू प्लांट्स नहीं है। डिफरेंट स्टेट्स में ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ऐसा कुछ ना कुछ तो लोचा हो ही रहा है।
In terms of one more solution that the government has looked into and are doing something about, they enforced the Air Force to come into this and also transport 50 mobile oxygen generating units from Germany. So,
Yes, yes.
which they're hoping would resolve or at least smoothen the curve of oxygen demand in India. And I
They are
truly
also
hope
they also accepted the tender to build the plants for oxygen, right?
exactly.
Oxygen production.
exactly. And a lot of and I there are a lot of commendable efforts from especially groups like Tata, which are like
Hmm.
openly giving oxygen like from their own plants, and
Yes, yes, yes.
that's actually one of the reasons why we even able to manage so far. Think about it.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, you guys read about this in detail. It's hard not to be scared, man. like like I said, Srijit and I have been lucky, but we know a lot of people who have been infected by
Or
this
not.
lot. Exactly. So it's not something to be taken lightly. And yeah, solutions are there. The government is doing what it can, and they've also not done what they can. I will say this as well, in the sense like they had a year to plan. So did we, for that matter.
Seriously.
So did we. I'm just throwing shade at the government here. Even us as people, we had a year to plan to ensure that our new lives would be better. हम तो like you said last episode में ऐसे fever जैसे treat कर रहे थे.
कर दिया भाई, कॉमन कोल्ड जैसा रख दिया हम लोगों ने। से देख, हमारी भी गलती है मैन, मना तो कोई नहीं भाई, है हमारे में से गलती किसी की नहीं है, ऐसा कौन बोल सकता।
Like I don't know what else to say honestly. I wish we could offer or come up with some better news in sense of like ये हो सकता है. But even the government, what they can do is they can allot certain number of oxygen allotment. Like for example, they allotted more amount of oxygen. Like for the 20 states which are in complete demand right now, they demand
हम्म
6,700 tons. They allotted 6,800 tons. But what happens
हम्म
in between is not in their control, right?
एग्जैक्टली।
Like how it gets there and how the states in between clash or like cooperate with each other, that is something which
हम्म।
is not in the central power. So
ओह।
well, that's it from our side. So I hope we gave you some information about what why this problem arose, and also about the numbers of why the problem is so severe, and what the government is doing and what people are doing to ensure that this problem is curtailed or rather can be smoothened out in the coming weeks. So please please be careful.
हाँ भाई, कि ठीक हो जाएगा भाई, एक दिन सब ठीक हो जाएगा, कोई वांदा नहीं, होप तो नहीं छोड़ सकते, अभी तक बहुत कुछ हम लोग ने सह लिए, सह लेंगे थोड़ा और।
As a society, as
अभी
a
तो इसके
human,
पीछे ग्लोबल वार्मिंग पड़ा है यार। अच्छा, ये सब तो छोटा है, ये सब तो अपने को जिंदा रहने का, फिर ग्लोबल वार्मिंग आएगा, वो जोर से मार के जाएगा। धरती की बारी आई नहीं है, ये तो वायरस आया ना।
so that's it from our side. I hope you thought our opinions and our thoughts on the subject valuable to you, and I really hope the stats we showed you how dire the situation is. And I really hope you guys can go and read more about this, watch more about this. The links we have given below, you can go refer to them. And yeah, to end this on a hopeful note, you've been through worse. Of course, like my co-host said, हो जाएगा सब सही हो जाएगा. Like we will uh, get out of this, and
सर्वाइव दिस शिट मैन।
of course we can. Of course
We
we
will.
can. We're humans, man. We'll survive far worse. But I will say, like, survival was never the goal here. We haven't become the species we are right now, the people we are right now, based on survival. We have thrived. We have lived. So to do that, that means we have to care for each other, the person next to us, whether it be a family or friend or neighbor. And that means we have to be safe, if not for us, for them. And I don't know, we've said this a million times just in the past episode, but I don't think I can. There's enough. I cannot put more emphasis on this point, which I've said right now. Like seriously, I can't. I just want to keep on reiterating that.
Yes.
Yeah. So
Be helpful, be safe, stay safe.
stay safe, man. Seriously, that's all we can. And we will survive, yeah. But the point is to survive, not to survive, is to come out on top with losing as less lives as possible. And to do that, we have to, do as much as we can for each other. So yeah, that's it from our side. And Srijit, man, thanks again. Couldn't have done this shit without you. As always, it's like even that I don't have to say, but I say it anyway because he's my man. So man. Like, all right. For the people who watch, thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe. That'll help us. Really would. So, yeah, do that, and
Karo.
we'll see you next time.